Okay, good morning. Sorry guys, good evening. Yeah guys, I don't know what is in me. I'm very sick, very sick. But I'm trying not to skip because I was supposed to give you the lunch, but unfortunately I couldn't manage. Okay, cool. So now let's start by doing the home figures of these numbers. Then after this, I think we'll have a clear clue on how our term numbers are gonna land. So the home figure of 18 is 9. Home figure of 27, actually yes, home figure of 27 is 9. Home figure of 31 is 4. Home figure of 33 is 6. Home figure of 36 is 9. Home figure of 46 is 11. Home figure of 39, that should be 12. So if we check here, we can see that because actually my banker was 27, but now the fact that 27 is dropped, and then if I check the home figures, 9 is the one that is dominating here. So it simply means that 9 is a powerful number that we can play. Is like, I don't know, I'll see how I'm going to play it, but 9 is coming. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, because our code is 3795. Okay, that is our main code for tonight. So which means these guys of UK49, they're very clever. They can take that 37 and subtract minus 10. They give us a 27, because there is something that tells me that 27 is our banker. 27 is our bank. But it's okay, actually. I'm going to do this. I'm going to say 3795. Now that we saw this 9 from the home figure, so let's do the pairing. For example, we're going to say, actually, let's go to the drawing board. No shortcuts. Sorry. No shortcut. Let's go to the drawing board. So we're going to go here. And then we write down, let's say, tea time. Tea time, yes. Then our code is what? 3795. Because I was trying to do a shortcut, but it won't work. So let's just do the pairing. Because I'm going to make a combination of this video with Mega Million, because I have to give you Mega Million. So after this one, there's Mega Million coming. So we say 9. We also say 375. Then we take the smallest number, 7, 9, 5. Then we come again here and say 3, 7, 9, 5. Trust me, one day this phone number will just drop like 3795. It comes like that. You're gonna be like, Coach did mention that. I'm not gonna put a lot of numbers. And then the other one I'm going to change and say 27.9. Then I say 2.7. Then I say 2.7.5.9. Yeah, so guys, I think this is how I'm going to put tonight's numbers. After this, we're going to go back to Mega Million and see what Mega Million has for us. Understand? But it's just gonna be a one video, because I can't be uploading UK and Mega Million if I don't have actual energy. I'm pushing myself. I'm trying my best. Okay, so as for this one, we're done. Then now we're going to be doing Mega Million. Then let's go to the previous results for Mega Million. Actually, I think I have written them down here. I wanted to go to the Google straight. Okay, cool. So guys, this is what we're going to use to predict Mega Million. Okay, I'm going to write down 38, 50, 40, 55. Okay, cool. So the date is 55. Then I'm going to close that window. I go to the calculator. So now we are at the calculator. So this is what I'm going to do. With Mega Million, you have to add all those numbers. 38 plus 50 plus 40 plus 55. So our first code is going to be 183 for Mega Million. Then we're not done yet. So our first code is 183. So second code, this is the killer code that is dangerous in Mega Million. We're going to use today's date. We say 20 plus 20 plus 26 plus 3, then we get 69. Then we're going to say 69 times formula 75, get 5175. So let me go and show you the trick there. Let's go to the drawing board. Okay, so now we are doing Mega Million. It's called Mega Million 570. It pays so much. It pays so much. Okay, cool. Then the first code is 5175. Second code is 183. Okay, so when we break Mega Million, we're just gonna get 51. So I'm going to say 51, 57, and then I say 55, 17, because this is what I see there. And then here, with this one, with this code, I have to add. I'm going to say, because it's 18 plus 3, that gives us a 21. 18 minus that is a 15. So now, which means this number is 51. Actually, our banker in Mega Million should be 15 or 51. Actually, that should be 51. So let me just illustrate here and say banker. Banker is 51 or 15. Okay, but then when we're appearing, we're going to say 18, 38, or we say 18, 3. They do mix the numbers up and down, Then we say 51, 51. Then we say 51, 17, 18. Play that 3 number as well. Say 15, 17, 18. Then let me put the last one, which is gonna be 5, 17, 18. I think this is what I was expecting on Mega Million. Okay, cool. So Mega Million is already covered and the UK Fortnite is done. So guys, I just showed you one secret about Mega Million. There's so much happening with these games, eh? So always come and purchase the books. Please do so. It's very important. I always update my books because I know that they change the systems now and then. So you follow the link in the first comment of the video. In the first comment of the video. Thank you very much, guys. I hope I'll be fine. Thank you very much.